In front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. When you finish, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!